Food has a magical way of connecting cultures, sparking joy, and creating unforgettable memories. For those who crave authentic culinary adventures, these three destinations are a feast for both your taste buds and soul. Let's dive into the top spots every food lover must visit. Tokyo is a paradise for food enthusiasts, offering everything from Michelin-starred sushi to comforting bowls of ramen. Wander through Tsukiji Outer Market to sample the freshest sashimi or enjoy the savory sweetness of yakitori in cozy izakayas. Don't miss the delicate perfection of wagashi desserts or the innovation of modern Japanese cuisine in trendy Shibuya restaurants. Every bite in Tokyo tells a story steeped in history and tradition. Known as the food capital of Italy, Bologna invites you to indulge in some of the most iconic dishes in Italian cuisine. Start with handmade pasta like tagliatelle al ragu, the authentic Bolognese sauce, and savor the richness of mortadella on fresh bread. Wander into traditional trattorias for tortellini and brodo, or enjoy a slice of Parmigiano Reggiano, straight from the source. Bologna isn't just a city, it's a culinary masterpiece. Bangkok's vibrant food scene is a sensory explosion of flavors. Start your day with a comforting bowl of congee, or explore street markets like Chatuchak, where you'll find pad thai sizzling on woks and spicy green curry served with fragrant jasmine rice. Cool off with a sweet mango sticky rice dessert, or refresh yourself with a coconut water straight from the shell. Bangkok proves that street food can be just as exquisite as fine dining. Whether you're chasing the umami of Tokyo, the comfort of Bologna's handmade pasta, or the bold flavors of Bangkok's street food, these destinations are guaranteed to satisfy your culinary cravings. Pack your bags and let your next adventure be guided by your taste buds.